So, hello everyone. Today, let's talk about various date formatter in SwiftUI. So, today let's talk about various date formatter in SwiftUI. And what is date formatter in SwiftUI and Swift? A date formatter, a formatter that converts between dates, a formatter that converts between date and their textual representation, and their textual representation is called date formatter. So date formatter. So first of all, we're gonna create on the SwiftUI view, which have a command, and this is a SwiftUI view, and this is a date formatter view. Date formatter view, we're gonna create on this complete date formatter view, and we're gonna create on this v stack, and in this comment on this code. Sorry, we're gonna find this slash and in this code. Okay, and I want to show this in below format on the UI. I want to show this in below on the format in the, so we're gonna open your format. Suppose 1 February and 2000 tier, first format, and we're gonna open your editor, and this is a font size. We're gonna increase command n, so this is a command plus increase on the size. Okay, and this is command plus remove on this canvas. Okay, first format on this 1 February and this. Okay, and second format is one use of slash, and second is 2 month, and third is 2000 year. Okay, second format, and third format is February 1 2000. Third format is, and fourth format is only month, February. Okay, in this format on this show on this UI. So I want to show this in below format on the UI. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create on this SwiftUI view model, command n, and Swift file. We're gonna take a Swift file, and this is a date formatter view model. Date formatter view model. We're gonna create on the date formatter view model, and command is minus. We're gonna font is not increase. So import SwiftUI. First of all, import on the SwiftUI framework, and second, we're gonna create on this class, and this class is date formatter view model. Okay, and in this class, we're gonna confirm on this observable protocol. Observable object protocol confirm on this class. Observable protocol confirm on this class. In this class, access only observed state object, and observed object on its UI show. And in this, we're gonna create on this observable object, and in this class, we're gonna create on this published property at the rate published var. Suppose we're gonna create on this DOB, date of birth, and which is type of date, and which type of date, and is equal to current date. Create on this instance on this current date. In this date, we're gonna show on this current date, provide on this current date, and in this formatter, we're gonna copy on this formatter, command command Z, command C, and formatter copy on this UI. Okay, in this show on this in this formatter. So we're gonna first of all, we're gonna create on this lazy loading formatter. So we're gonna create on lazy loading formatter, create on this lazy loading formatter. So private lazy var, and we're gonna create on this formatter, and in this formatter, which is type of date formatter, and we're gonna create on this lazy var. We're gonna create on this instance let formatter is equal to date formatter. and written on this formatter. We're gonna apply on this common reusability function on this formatter. What's date formatter? A formatter that converts between dates and their textual representation. And we're gonna create on this formatter dot. We're gonna apply on this properties time style. In this time style property, we're gonna apply on this support time style not is a time style apply, and we're gonna apply on this dot none is equal to dot none, not is a time apply, and we're gonna next apply formatter dot time zone, and time zone is equal to, suppose we're gonna apply on dot short and long. Suppose we're gonna apply on this dot short timeline, apply on short. Okay, and in this apply on short, not apply on this language. Suppose this is a language is localization on this UI date formatter. Suppose not apply on this localizations. So time zone, sorry, date style. We're gonna apply on this date style. Okay, date style and time style. We're gonna apply on the date style and time style. Okay, so we're gonna create on these properties. We're gonna use of computed property. So var, we're gonna create on the first property. Suppose this is our DOB is DOB, and we can access the DOB as full month. We're gonna create on this computed property, sorry, which is type of string, and is equal to lambda, sorry, lazy loading and lambda. So we're gonna create on the formatter style. So formatter, sorry, we can access not accessible on this formatter, and in this formatter, accessible on this formatter dot date format, access on this property date format is equal to, we're gonna assign on this formatter. Suppose this first is your DOB as full month. First is full month. We're gonna apply on this full month. So we're gonna apply on this full month. Cannot instance member formatter within property initializer for self. M full month, we're gonna apply full month, and is comma D only one day, and we're gonna apply on this year, 4 year. We're gonna apply on this 4 year. Okay, and return on this formatter, and we're gonna return formatter dot string. For and we're gonna apply on this dot from, we're gonna apply on this DOB. Our current instance create on this, our pass on this, our current instance pass on this DOB, create on this date, pass on this our current instance. Okay, sorry, not is equal to, and this is this problem on this equal to, we can remove this problems. We're gonna copy on this code and is same paste on this another property. And 4 properties, create on this 4 properties. Okay, and command A control I, indentation on this code. So first is okay create, and second is 1 slash, so 1, and is second is, sorry, day, apply on this day, 1 day, and apply on this date. DOBS month, day, and we're gonna apply on this month. So sorry, we're gonna apply on this second it string and we'll put as month dob as month string as month. Suppose we're gonna apply on this as month. As a month we're gonna apply on this as month D, and we're gonna apply on this M. And in this situation apply on this. So this is the N in this situation applies, and create on this situations and year. Okay, yeah, D M year. And we're gonna apply on this third is DOB as only month string. Only month. Okay, DOB as only month. So we're gonna not pass on this year and day, only month pass. For M we're gonna pass on this formatter. For M is only month, and DOB is last is we're gonna apply this slash use DOB as single digit. Single digits months and years. DOB are single digits. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this day and slash M and year. Okay, DOB as single month year, and we're gonna copy complete on this view model. So command A, control as this is indentation on this code, and this command minus. In this code is command minus, show on this code, and command plus is resume on this code, and we're gonna create on this access on this. We're gonna access on this view model in this view. So we're gonna create on this state object. State object for D date format VM, which is type of date formatter, and is equal to date formatter view model. We're gonna create on this instance date formatter view model, and we're gonna create on this date formatter view model. And in this date formatter view model, we're gonna show this UI by using date picker. So date picker is shown this calendar on this UI, shown this calendar on this view. So we're gonna create on this date picker. Date picker which have initializers selections, and in this is select your DOB, select your date of birth, select your date of birth, and in this we're gonna bind on the select is $VM, sorry $date formatter VM, and we're gonna apply on this dot DOB. Okay, we're gonna bind on this properties, and in this properties we're gonna create on this. Suppose this is we're gonna apply on this dot date picker style, dot date picker style. In this shown this style, so date picker style is dot graphics, graphical date picker style, graphical date picker style. We're gonna apply on this dot frame. We're gonna apply on this dot frame. So frame we're gonna apply on this height. So this is 300 width, 300 width only, and we're gonna create on this v stack, show on this date. Suppose we're gonna change the spacer, and in this spacer we're gonna apply on this dot frame, and we're gonna apply on this height, which is type of 460, only apply on the 60 height, and we're gonna create on this text, bind on this text. Suppose this is the bind on this text string interpolation by using string interpolation. This is a date formatter VM dot, so date as full month, and copy on this text. So in this text we're gonna copy and request, and so first is date as full month, and second is date as DOB full month as month, and DOB we're gonna apply date of full month as month, and we're gonna apply DOB only month, and we're gonna apply the DOB only single digit, DOB only single digits. Okay, we're gonna open your canvas. In this canvas, in this code is resume on this applications. So date formatter, a formatter that converts between dates and their textual representations. So in this format, resume on this code, in this formatter, resume on this code, not apply on this condition. So this is a command A and control I. This is a indentation on this code. We will run this applications. Okay, in this shown this calendar. So this is a 5 October, only date is different but it's not set on this date, and current date is 5. Current date is 5. Not check on this our template on this date. Suppose we're gonna check on this 2 date. Okay, 2. So we can change on this old date. October 2 first template we're gonna match on this string. So command plus we're gonna match on this string. We're gonna match on this string. Okay, 4 templates. First template is 1 February. Sorry, we're gonna accessible on this. Sorry, we're gonna check on month, select on this month. Suppose this is a February. And this we're gonna select on this date is okay, and 2 date February 2. So this is a, we can check on this February 1. We're gonna apply this notice a 2. Suppose this is a 1. Okay, February 1 2000. We're gonna same on this, match on this same format. I want to show this in below format on this UI show, in this show. So this is a 1 February 1000. We can same on this same case on this matches. February 1, and we're gonna apply the February. We're gonna apply note on this February, and we're gonna apply the slash template, apply the slash template. We're gonna 1, 2 and 2002 and 2002. So we're gonna apply this 2000. We're gonna apply on this here is 2000 here, select on this 2000 here. This is the 2000, 1 February 2000, 1 February 2000. We can use the February. So this is in this date formatter shown this UI. We're gonna show on this template. So this is a command minus, and we can remove shown this code in this code. So thank you for watching this. We can use enjoy my channel, like my videos and share my channels. And in this code of join, suppose we're gonna apply on this in this vstack, we're gonna apply on this dot padding. So not apply on this padding, this is the date format is not in this vstack. We're gonna apply on this padding, dot padding, and in this apply on this date is 30 100. We're gonna apply on, suppose this is a 200. We're gonna apply on this frame on this 200. Okay, in this date format, in this for October, and we can apply October. This current date matching to this 2 date select on the not is the current date method, but it's not current. This is the current date methods, and this note is a template. Suppose this is a note change on this templates and this UI. So in this view model, what is date formatters? Formatter we can written on this formatter only a lazy loading written formatter, a formatter that converts between dates and their textual representative on this UI. Okay, so thank you for watching this. You can enjoy my channel, like my videos, run on this calendar. Suppose in this calendar we're gonna apply on this background colors. We're gonna apply on dot background color dot green. We're gonna apply on this color dot green. So we're gonna apply on the background color on this green. We're gonna set on this date. Suppose this is a 2 February. We're gonna apply on this 2 February. We're gonna apply on this date is February, and February, and we're gonna apply 2000. Okay, we're gonna run on this, check on this date. This is we're gonna show on this template. In this template we're gonna apply on this, suppose on this text we're gonna apply on this properties large title, and we're gonna apply on this properties bold, and we're gonna apply on this color is red, and same textual property we're gonna apply on this another text. It's the same properties we're gonna apply on this another text. It's 5 octave. This is the current date update on this. In this date instance, we're gonna apply on the current date. Current date shown this UI. In this achievement on this working on a current date, we're gonna template on this month, day, and year. Only full month shown this 4 month, and day only day and year. And day month is half month string, and DOBS month and string half month string. This is the only month shown this UI, and date by using /1 day 4 to 5 in this / use of formatter by using this is a lazy loading. In this lazy loading, we can show on this formatters on a UI. So we're gonna resume on this applications. And this shown this UI. This is 5 October. This is current date matching on this. Not apply on this. Suppose this is current date matching on this current date. We're gonna show on this. Suppose this is a October. We're gonna remove on this templates and other situation, but it's not issue on this UI. So thank you for watching. Enjoy my channel, like my videos.